In this video, we will present you the learning scenario of the activity Introduction to Snap Interface and the composition of the entire code. In this activity, the players have to add a new sprite, a costume to the sprite, and edit it. In addition, the players will create a new background to the stage and edit it. Students don't need previous programming experience to carry out this activity. In this activity, students will get familiar with Snap Visual Programming environment. So, they will learn how to add a new sprite, a costume, how to center the sprite, and how to add a new background to stage and edit it. The expected duration of this activity is 45 minutes. The students can work individually. The role of the teacher is to help them and to explain the more complex paths. Now, we will see the entire activity. Show students the web page where they can find Snap. Show them different parts of the interface. Section with blocks, section where they can assemble scripts, change costumes, add sounds, stage with sprite on it, list of sprites. To create a new sprite, students will have three options: to add a new turtle sprite, arrow icon, to paint a new sprite, paintbrush icon, or to take a camera screenshot and import it as a new sprite, camera icon. Students will try to draw a new sprite by clicking on the paintbrush. A pop-up window opens where they can draw their sprite in a similar way as in Paint. Drawing a straight line, drawing a rectangle or a circle, which can be filled with color or not, erasing, filling a region, picking up a color anywhere on the screen. When students are done drawing, they should use a special feature that enables them to set the rotation center of this sprite, and then they have to click OK to save it. Then they can click on the Costumes tab below the sprite name, right-click on the costume they want to edit, and choose Edit to reopen the Paint editor with your costume. Every sprite can have one or more costumes. Students can add a new one by clicking on a paintbrush icon to draw a new one, or right-click an existing one and choose Duplicate and then edit it for changes. Costumes can also be exported if you need them in another project. Students can import a costume by drag and dropping an existing picture from their hard drive to the Snap, or choosing a costume from existing ones. For the latter, they have to click on the icon that looks like a piece of paper and choose Costumes. This opens a window with different costumes to choose from and import into your program. To delete a costume, right-click on it and choose Delete. If they want to delete a sprite, right-click on it and choose Delete. Now, to edit or add a new background, students first have to click on the stage and select Background tab. To draw a new background, they have to choose the paintbrush and the paint editor opens to draw the background. To import an existing background, drag and drop it into Snap or click on the icon that looks like a piece of paper and choose Backgrounds. This opens another window with existing backgrounds. Editing backgrounds is similar to editing sprites. You right-click on it and choose Edit. Here, some reflection and evaluation. To solve the task, students can be helped with the prepared instruction. For more information, visit the project website.